Right here we have a pile of round rock. It's 8 inches to 18 inches. There's some really, really big voids. We're always talking about creating more void, more airspace in a French drain system because it air prunes the tree and shrub roots off. That way you don't end up with root intrusion. You don't have your French drain being taken out by a tree. Well, this 8 inches to 18 inch pile of round rock that creates these really nice voids, this is not a reality. We can't use this in your average French drain system. So we came up with a way where we can affordably build a system that's going to give us this kind of void. We partnered up with another pipe company that's making our filter media for our French drains. Now this is larger than the current 3-inch pipe that we're using now, but it's not a 4-inch pipe. It is a 3-inch pipe. It's a true 3-inch pipe. It's opened up more than what we've been using and what we are used to. We're going to show you how to use this filter media that's very affordable and very easy. It's going to be very cost effective. It's going to cost a lot less than stone. And we're going to show you how to top it off and lock it in place so that you have better results, so that the grass will grow over top of your French drain. Let's get into it.
The bigger the stone, the bigger the void, the bigger the air pocket, the better chance you're going to have at air pruning that tree or shrub root out of your French drain system. Simply put, the best French drains are the ones that have a lot of air in them. In this example, we have 2 perforated 4-inch pipes at the bottom. That's what we usually do for all of our French drain systems. We like to hold ourselves to that tolerance because if you have a trench wide enough for 2 4-inch pipes, you have a really, really good French drain system. We have a solid pipe in our French drain system. That's for catch basins. We want to catch all the yard water. Remember, your perforated pipes always go on the bottom. They're going to grab all the subsurface water. Your solid pipe with the catch basins, that's for all those ponding areas. Put a catch basin in every area that puddles that's along the French drain system. You're going to grab all that surface water. Now the rest of your French drain, you want to fill with the filter media. To put big stones in, you would have to go to 8 to 18 inches to get all the void that these white pipes that are providing us a really nice filter media between the grass that's growing above it and the perforated pipes below it. Now to lock everything tight together, use a nice 3/4 stone. The reason why you want to use a nice 3/4 stone is it's going to pack for you and it's going to hold all these pipes in place. The filter media, the perforated pipes, your solid yard drain and or downspout pipe that might be in your French drain trench. The 3/4 inch stone not only locks everything in place really well, but it actually will hold moisture. The reason why this is beneficial is when your grass roots through the double punch fabric that we have a filter fabric that's better than the MDOT. A couple of years ago when MDOT changed their requirements for drainage fabric underneath highways, it did not drain well. It does not have as high a flow rate as what it once did. So we didn't stay with the MDOT approved because it didn't serve us well in yard drainage. We have a double punch fabric. Again, we got away from the MDOT. We did that a couple of years ago. Our fabric flows more water and we have double punched needle holes throughout the entire fabric so that the grass can grow through it. With the 3/4 inch stone in the very top of the French drain system, it won't air prune the turf grass roots off. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports our channel. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video.